Ever feel like you're constantly chasing dreams that never seem to catch up? Imagine if you could skip the whole wishful thinking stage and just have what you want. This video cracks the code on a powerful technique that might make that dream a reality. It's all about changing your mindset from I want to I am, and it's easier than you might think. Manifestation is the practice of turning your desires into reality through focused thought and intention. It is based on the belief that our thoughts have the power to shape our experiences, and that by directing our mental energy towards our goals, we can bring them to fruition. The idea is rooted in the law of attraction, which suggests that like attracts like, positive thoughts attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts attract negative outcomes. Manifestation is not just about wishful thinking. It involves a combination of visualization, positive affirmations, and taking proactive steps towards your goals. By aligning your mindset with your desires, you can create a powerful force that helps you achieve what you want in life. Whether you're aiming for better health, improved relationships, financial abundance, or personal growth, understanding and practicing manifestation can be a transformative tool for realizing your dreams. When you're having trouble manifesting money, health, relationships, or anything else, 2 words can help you see results right away. At first, understanding manifestation signs can be hard. You might not know which thoughts to focus on or how to manage them. In your first meditation, it's normal to feel lost and unsure about your thoughts. Even after starting to manifest, there may be times when you don't see any results. That's when these 2 words can help you manifest your desires quickly. Manifestation isn't magic. It's about constantly reshaping your thoughts until they become your reality. Your thoughts create your world. Let's put it to the test. If you're excited about manifestations and truly believe they work, try scrolling through your Instagram reels. You'll likely come across videos about manifestation. Life works similarly. You attract what you constantly think about. To achieve your manifestations, it's important to worry less about your desires. The less you stress about how, when, or if they will happen, the better. Here are some practical steps involving 2 key words to help you manifest anything. Achieving what you want is in your hands and depends on how you incorporate these words into your daily routine. Whether through speaking, writing, or posting, you need to keep reminding yourself of these words until they become a part of you. Before we discuss these 2 words, take a moment to understand your desires. Recognize what you are manifesting and realize that your desire will eventually become part of who you are. You don't manifest what you want. You manifest who you are. The universe challenges you, helping you align with the energy of your desires. This alignment is what attracts what you want. When you write down your desires, like I want to manifest healthy life, or I want a house, you are signaling lack. This tells the universe what you don't have. You manifest the energy you embody. To attract your desires, you need to emit the energy of your manifestations. A key step is to treat your desires as if they are already memories. Think of your desires as events that have already happened. Use your imagination to create these memories in your mind. Imagine them when you wake up and before you go to bed, then let them go. By thinking of your desires as memories, you avoid feelings of insecurity that can block the manifestation process. Let's explore the question. What 2 words can help you manifest quickly? The answer is I and am. You've probably noticed that many affirmations start with I am. This is because I am is a very powerful form of positive affirmation. When you say these words to yourself, they can fill you with so much positive energy that you can actually feel it throughout your body. I am is not just an affirmation. It creates a vibrational energy similar to the sound Om or Aum. You might wonder why this Om sound is important. In many meditation practices, Om is often chanted because it creates a sound wave that aligns with the universe's vibrations. This sound is sacred in Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism, as it is considered the first sound of the universe. Chanting Om helps connect all living beings to the universe's vibrational frequency. But how does chanting Om help align your energy with the universe? Here's the theory. Om is made up of 3 parts, A, O, and M, Esh. Each part resonates with one of the 7 main chakras: root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. The lower 3 chakras are linked to your manifestation abilities. The root, sacral, and solar plexus chakras are your body's energy centers. The A sound opens these lower chakras. The O sound moves the vibration to your chest, affecting the heart chakra. The MH sound then moves the vibration to your head, affecting the third eye and crown chakras. By chanting Om, you sequentially open these chakras, allowing blocked energy to flow and connect with the universe's frequency. When you're writing, journaling, or chanting, always use statements like, "I am happy," "I am wealthy," or "I am living the best life." By saying "I am" instead of "I want," you tell your body that you already have what you desire. This activates the law of correspondence, which means the universe reflects your inner state. What you feel inside will become your reality. Combining the vibration of Om with the affirmation, "I am," ensures your desires will manifest. Take on this 25-day challenge. Write a comment about what you want to manifest and stay committed. Return after 25 days to share your success story, inspiring others to pursue their dreams. Here's a simple exercise. For the next 25 days, start your mornings by writing down your manifestations for 12 minutes. Each statement should begin with "I am," such as, "I am making $20,000 this month," "I am healthy," or "I am at peace." Write continuously, repeating affirmations if needed. After writing, read them aloud with energy and emotion, like a chant. Feel the energy of your words throughout your body. If you don't feel the emotion strongly, read it again until you do. Emotions amplify your vibrational energy, making your manifestations more powerful. This might seem like a lot of work, but ask yourself how much you want to achieve your desires. There's no harm in trying, and you have nothing to lose except a bit of ink and paper. Once you start seeing results, these small efforts will seem worthwhile. As you chant and let your feelings flow, take a moment to close your eyes and place your hands on your chest. Visualize your dreams as if they are memories. Picture yourself living in a happy moment where your wishes have come true. Let your emotions guide you. By writing down and chanting your desires, your mind continually focuses on them, reducing and eventually eliminating insecurity. Practice this twice a day, before sleep and after waking, for 25 days. It will change your life, truly. I can't emphasize enough how amazing your life will become. Just try it. Challenge yourself. Only you can make yourself happy, so keep going. Write down your affirmations, chant them with conviction, and visualize your desires as if they are already part of your reality. Let go of any stress or doubt and trust in the process. Your journey towards manifesting your dreams starts with you. Embrace these practices, stay committed, and watch as your thoughts begin to shape your world. Share your success stories and inspire others to pursue their dreams as well. Only you can make yourself truly happy, so keep going and believe in the power of your own mind.